Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to change font in Windows operating system. This video includes two parts. In part 1, I will tell you how to change font in Windows operating system, and in part 2, I will explain you how to restore back the default font of Windows. So let's start the video. First of all, you go to your PC and press Windows and R key from your keyboard. Now you can see a run dialog box will open here. Here you will type fonts and press OK. Now you can see a window will be open, and here you can see a lot of fonts are available. You can select any one of them and see how it looks like after applying to the system settings. You can get here bold, italic and regular sizes of these fonts. If you don't like these fonts, you can get more fonts. So if you want more fonts, then press Window and R and type here WordPad and press OK. Now you can see WordPad window is open, and here I will type some words so I can show you how it looks like when fonts are applied on them. I will increase their size, and now I am selecting the fonts. Now you can see how it looks like after I select these fonts, and the sizes and the shape of these words are changing. You can choose font from here also. I will close this, and now I will choose Agency Happy font as my new font of the window. So that I have made a script, and now I will edit this script, and here type your font. I will change it into Agency FB. Please don't make any mistakes while you are typing the font name. If you make any mistake, the font will not be applied on the system. Now I will save it as .reg extension. And I will change save as type as all files and save it. Now you can see a new file is available on my desktop screen. I will just right click on this file and merge this file into my PC. Now the PC will ask the permission to merge this file, and here I will select yes, and after I will press OK. Now you can see font is starting to apply, and you see power button and search bar is not showing because this font does not support these buttons. So I will just restart my PC and see how it looks like after applying. Now the PC is restarted, and you can see the Agency Every font is applied in our whole computer. But this font does not support the power button symbol and the search bar symbol. So I will just reset this font and restore my default system font so that I can see the symbols of my computer. For that, I had made a script to restore the default font of my computer. I will just open this script and edit it. Now the script is opened, and I will just save this file as .reg extension, and I will change the save as type into all files and save it. Now you can see a new file is created in my computer. I will just merge it by double clicking, and now my PC will ask the permission to apply these changes in my registry, and I will just press yes and then OK. Now the PC is start to restore the symbols, and you can see the power symbol and the search symbol of my computer. Now I will just restart this PC and complete the restoration process. After restarting the PC, the font is restored back to the default settings, and you can see the old font of the computer. If you want these script, then you can check the description box.